English Pronunciation in Use, Elementary, by Jonathan Marks. Published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyright. CD B. B. 2. A.
K. K. K.
B. 2. B.
Car, cat, careful, clean, close, colour, fact, keep, key, kind, kitchen, desk, like, talk, walk, back, black, check, pocket, tick, school, stomach, chemist, architect.
B. 2. C.
Quick. Quiet. Quarter.
B. 2. D.
Fax, 6, taxi.
B. 2. E. 1.
Look in the kitchen cupboard.
2.
Keep your keys in your pocket.
B. 3. A.
G. G. G.
B. 3. B.
K. G. K. G. K. G.
B. 3. C.
Garden, girl, glass, go, gold, ago, hungry, bag, leg, egg, bigger.
B. 3. D.
Exam. Exactly.
B. 3. E.
Guess, guest, dialogue.
B. 3. F. 1.
Can you guess the beginning of the dialogue?
2.
Are you going jogging again?
B. 3. G. 1.
I like the film. The acting was perfect.
2.
Do you like folk music?
3.
It was a dark night.
4.
What's your
B. 4. 1.
give?
2.
Big,
3.
get,
4.
comb,
5.
keys,
6.
cake,
7.
kiss,
8.
ache,
9.
guest,
10.
back,
11.
coffee,
12.
again,
13.
walk,
14.
called,
15,
bag,
16,
bigger,
17,
cold,
18,
carry,
19,
work,
20,
grey,
B, 5, 1,
Can I carry your bags?
2,
give me a big kiss,
3,
You gave me cold coffee again.
4,
a grey cat with green eyes walked into the garden,
5,
The guests would like eggs for breakfast.
B, 6. Example,
It's time to go back.
1,
Shall we walk?
2,
I came by bike.
3,
When you go out, take the dog.
4,
I'm going to buy a new desk tomorrow.
5,
You don't take milk in your tea, do you?
I do, in fact.
6,
It's only 7 o'clock and it's already dark.
7,
Listen and check.
8,
Mark your answer with a T.
B, 7, 1,
Back.
2,
Goal.